Morning, guys. I know it's been a while. I've been away. My dad wasn't well, so I actually had to take leave and actually come home to see how he's doing. He's actually feeling better today. I think today is the 9th of August, so in South Africa it's actually Women's Day. So seeing that he's better, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little trip with them to Kruger National Park. It's one of our national monuments here in SA. So we'll do a day trip just to take him out so he can breathe fresh air and seeing as he's feeling better, right? So what I'll do is, I think Afare actually sent through a translation or two. I'll do that when we get there. So basically what we'll do is we'll leave the house, we head on to Kruger National Park. On the way, I'll take a few videos so you guys can see the route there. When we're there, hopefully we see some animals. If that's the case, that's great. If not, I'll still do the translation. So guys, stay tuned. And thanks again for your support. Finally on our way. We should be there in an hour's time. So we have finally arrived, and we'll take more videos and more pics when we actually get in there and do this week's translations. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. There are two huge giraffes. Well, they're looking back at me now. I'm not sure if they'll charge or not. So I'm just gonna get back in the car and leave. Okay, I see there's some zebras and they're busy grazing. Hope you guys can see it because they're a bit further and I'm not using my usual camera. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see these. They're warthogs farther in the distance there. I'll try and zoom in later on, but there they are. If any of you know what these birds are, please let me know. Never seen them before. Hi guys, welcome to Learning Tree the Fun Way with Tree. As usual, my name is Kdei. So finally we've arrived to Kruger National Park and I'm standing next to the three founders of Kruger National Park. I think we started at another gate and we are now at the Secunda gate. So for today we have one person that needs to translate, and that's Afare. Afare did two things translated. The very first thing is he was the first person I went to for help. Again, he was the first person I went to for help. Now that intrigued him. He said that ononi nipa ɔdikan mekɔ kɔpɛɛ. Again, ononi nipa ɔdikan kɔpɛɛ. And the next thing that Wofirii wanted to know was, after you left the house, I went back to sleep again. After you left the house, I went back to sleep. Now that intrigued him. He said, Wofirii na mekɔ again. Wofirii na mekɔ. Wofirii, thanks again for your support. I just want to thank each and every one of you. That's it for this week's lesson. I'll see you guys next week. And remember, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button with future notifications. And if you want to learn the language, please go get the Tree Junior course on Google Store. With that, end this Let's Learn Tree. Lots of love from me, Kwesi. Bye. Alright guys, we're officially done. Sorry for the audio, right? Seeing that I'm not using my camera, I'm using my Insta360 GoPro 2, so the audio isn't great. But thanks for watching. Bye.